Good morning, children, and welcome to class 3rd. Today we will do worksheet of chapter number 4, that is the woodpecker. And in this worksheet, the first question is of reading section. Read the passage and then answer the questions. First of all, we will read the passage and then we will find out the answers of the questions. Birds always attract children. चिल्ड्रंस को हमेशा बर्ड्स जो होते हैं अच्छे लगते हैं. बर्ड्स उन्हें अपनी ओर खींचते हैं. दे आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स, कलर्स एंड नेचर्स. मीन्स birds are of different types and colors. We have the smallest bird, the hummingbird, and the biggest one, ostrich. Means the smallest bird is the hummingbird and the biggest one is the ostrich. Our national bird, peacock, is also a large, beautiful bird. And which one is our national bird? Peacock. Then birds are of various colors. As sparrows are grey, white and black. Parrots light green, dappled. Pigeons light grey, white, etc. Means we can see birds in different colors, in various colors means in different colors. जैसे कि स्पैरोज के कलर हो सकते हैं, ब्लैक भी हो सकती है, वाइट भी हो सकती है और ग्रे भी हो सकते हैं. सिमिलरली पिजन्स लाइट ग्रे भी हो सकते हैं और वाइट भी हो सकते हैं. देन पिजन्स, स्पैरोज, पैरट्स pigeons, sparrows, parrots, etc. are of quiet nature. Quiet means they are calm in nature. बड़े शांत होते हैं. Hawk, eagle, kite, vulture, crow, etc. are predators. Predators who kill other birds. Then answer the following questions. What do birds always do? And the answer of this question is birds always attract the children. You can find out the answer of this question in the first line of the paragraph. Which is the smallest bird? Hummingbird is the smallest bird. Which is the biggest bird? Ostrich is the biggest bird. And which bird is our national bird? Peacock is our national bird. So these are the answers of the questions from the paragraph. Coming to the next section, that is writing section. Write a short paragraph on a rainy season. Rainy season पे आपको paragraph लिखना है. And the first line is, a rainy day is a very pleasant day, is a very beautiful day. Everybody likes this day. Everybody likes this day. Everybody means everybody loves this day. On a rainy day the sky remains cloudy all the day. कि rainy day में सारा दिन आसमान में क्या छाए रहते हैं? बादल. Peacock loves to dance on a rainy day. Children love to play in the rain. बच्चों को बारिश में खेलना बहुत पसंद है. Everything looks fresh in nature. Means रेनी डे में, रेनी सीज़न में, जो जैसे कि आजकल चल रहा है रेनी सीज़न, हर चीज़ फ्रेश और ग्रीन नज़र आती है. On a rainy day we can see rainbow. It is also known as monsoon. रेनी सीज़न को हम मॉनसून भी कहते हैं. It brings happiness and joy to all. ये मौसम सभी को खुश कर देता है. It is the most joyful season of the year. और साल का सबसे happiest और सबसे joyful season है. So this is the paragraph on the rainy season which you have to write down in your notebooks. Then coming to third section, that is vocabulary section. Vocabulary section में आपका question number 1 है, match each word with its synonym. You have to match the word with its synonym. First one I have done for you and rest of the words you will match. Synonym. What is synonym? Synonym is a word that has the same meaning as the another word. Synonym मतलब आपने सेम मीनिंग वाले वर्ड ढूंढने हैं. जैसे कि स्मार्ट का सेम मीनिंग इंटेलिजेंट. इंटेलिजेंट एंड स्मार्ट दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. सिमिलरली फास्ट का मतलब क्या हुआ? स्पीडी. लार्ज, बिग. Sad, downtrodden. Jump, leap. Sleep, rest. Let us do once again. Fast, speedy. Large, big. Sad, downtrodden. Jump, leap. Sleep, rest. So these are This is how you will match each word with its synonym. Then coming to vocabulary section again, now we will do question number 2. In question number 2 you have to write the rhyming words for the following. आपको rhyming word लिखने हैं. आपको वर्ड दिया गया गार्डन, तो गार्डन का राइमिंग वर्ड क्या हो सकता है? पार्डन, कार्बन, कार्बन CARBON, कार्बन. वायर, फायर FIRE, फायर. फनी, सनी SUNNY. Then think, sink SINK, sink. And bend BEND, bend. Finger, singer, finger, singer. Nest, rest REST, rest. Water, daughter, water. Daughter. So these are the rhyming words. I am repeating once again: garden, carbon, wire, fire, funny, sunny, think, sink, and bend, finger, singer, nest, rest, water, daughter. Then grammar section. Question number 1 is choose the correct pronoun and write it in the box. You have to choose the correct pronoun and then write it in the box. Pronouns he, she, it, they. The words which are used in place of nouns. To avoid the repetition of noun is known as pronoun. Means noun को बार बार repeat ना करना पड़े, इसलिए हम pronouns को use करते हैं. For example, Ram is a good boy. Ram loves to play cricket. Ram loves to read books. Instead of writing Ram again and again, we will write Ram is a good boy. He loves to play cricket. He loves to read books, like this. Now coming to question number 1. Dash is a palm tree. For non-living things, we will use it. So we will write down here it. It is a palm tree. Number 2. Dash play in a hay. They. If there are more than 2 persons, 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा लोग हों, तो then you will use they. So you will write down here they play in the hay. Dash can make pancakes. She can make pancakes. Dash go to school together. Here if there are 2 person, अगर 2 हों, then you will write down we go to school together. Dash has a big hat. He has a big hat. The elephant will not get wet. Dash has a red umbrella. It. For non-living things, for animals and for birds, we use it. And number 7. Dash is a doctor. He is a doctor. Dash likes to ride the bike. He likes to ride the bike. Dash keep the garden clean together. There are more than 2 children, so we will write down they keep the garden clean together. Let us do once again. It is a palm tree. They play in a hay. Then she can make pancakes. There are 2, so we will write down we go to school. He has a big hat. It has a red umbrella. He is a doctor. He likes to ride bike. They keep the garden clean together. So this is how you will choose the correct pronoun and then write it on the line. Then coming to question number 2 of grammar section. Grammar section का question number 2 है complete each sentence with subject pronoun. आपने हर sentence को complete करना है pronouns के साथ. First one is done for you. पहला आपके लिए मैंने कर दिया है. Dash I am learning a new language. I am. Dash and I must work together. दो लोग हैं यहाँ पर, so we will write down here. We and I must work together. Dash looks like things are starting to look up. Dash looks like things are starting to look up. It looks like things are starting to look up. Dash grew to be the tallest tree in the forest. It grew to be the tallest tree. John loves animals. Dash has a dog named Tiger. Now John is a boy, so we will write down he has a dog named Tiger. A female lion is called a lioness. Dash take cares of newborn cubs. It take cares of newborn cubs, or she take care of newborn cubs, because female है, female के लिए she. Olivia and I play tennis. Usually we play on Sundays. क्योंकि यहाँ पर दो लोग हैं, Olivia and I. So we will write down we. Yesterday I met a girl and Dash was very nice. Girl. So we will write down here she was very nice. I asked Suzanne, will Dash go with me? Will she? Suzanne is the name of the girl. That is why we will write down here she. The photographers went into the jungle as Dash wanted to film a tiger. The photographers, it means there are more than 2 photographers. That is why we will write down here they wanted to film a tiger. So here we will write down you and I. Dash looks like it. Dash grew to be the tallest tree. It. John loves animal. He has a dog. A female lion is called lioness. It takes care of newborn cubs, or she take cares. You can write it or she. Both are correct. Olivia and I play tennis. Usually we play on Sundays. Yesterday I met a girl. She was very nice. I asked Suzanne, will she go with me? And here we will write down they wanted to film a tiger. This is how you will complete each sentence with the subject pronoun. Now coming to literature section. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. The woodpecker made a little dash hole. Made a little round, round, round hole. The woodpecker made a house in the dash. कहाँ बनाया था woodpecker ने अपना house? In the telephone pole. So we will write down here TELE, tally, PHONE, phone, telephone, POLE, pole. It has a dash and a dash red. It has a hood, 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 and a collar, COLLAR, collar red. It has a hood and a collar red. I am repeating again. The woodpecker made a little round hole. The woodpecker made a house in the telephone pole. It has a hood and a collar red. Coming to question number 2 of the literature section, that is write true or false for the following sentences. The first sentence is woodpecker is a bird. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So we will write down here T. It made its nest on a house. No, It made its nest on a telephone pole. So that is why this sentence is wrong. So we will write down here F. The woodpecker has strong teeth. No, the woodpecker has a strong beak. That is why this sentence is also false. Due to heavy rainfall, the bird snuggled back. Yes, it is true. Now, question number 3 is answer the following questions. The first question is, where did the woodpecker make its house? And the answer of this question is, it makes its house in a telephone pole. Question number 2 is, which season is mentioned in the poem? कौन से सीज़न के बारे में बताया गया है? It was a rainy season in the poem. What keeps the bird warm and protected in heavy downpour? Downpour means rainfall, heavy rainfall. जब बहुत ही ज़्यादा बारिश आ रही हो तो बर्ड्स को वार्म और बर्ड को प्रोटेक्ट कौन करता है? द बर्ड्स हाउस. बर्ड का जो हाउस है वो उसे बचाता है, क्योंकि जब बारिश होती है हम सब अपने अपने घरों में घुस जाते हैं ना बचने के लिए, बारिश से बचने के लिए. उसी तरह बर्ड्स भी बारिश से बचने के लिए अपने अपने घरों में चले जाते हैं. तो हम इसका आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? द बर्ड्स हाउस. वट कीप्स की जगह हमने लिखना है द बर्ड्स हाउस कीप्स इट वार्म एंड प्रोटेक्टेड इन हैवी डाउनपोर. So this is the worksheet of your chapter number 4, the woodpecker. Children, you have to note down this worksheet in your notebook number 1 neatly. So children, this is the work for you. So children, see you soon. Have a good day.